Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn for marketing roles using HubSpot Academy badges. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture. Scroll down to the section labeled Featured. Click on the plus icon to add new content. Select Add Featured and then choose Media. In the pop-up menu, select the HubSpot Academy badge you wish to showcase. Upload the badge image, ensuring it is clear and high quality. Add a title that reflects the course you completed. In the description, provide a brief overview of the skills or knowledge gained from the course. Include a link to the HubSpot Academy course page so viewers can learn more. Click Save to update your featured section with the new badge. Next, scroll down to the Skills and Endorsements section. Click on Add a new skill. Type in relevant marketing skills that you acquired from the HubSpot Academy courses. Make sure these skills align with your career goals and the roles you are targeting. Once you've added the skills, click Save to apply the changes. Now, update your summary section. Make sure to highlight your newly acquired skills from HubSpot Academy. Explain how these skills can benefit potential employers or clients. Include specific examples or projects where you've applied this knowledge. Finally, connect with other marketing professionals on LinkedIn. Join relevant groups and participate in discussions to showcase your expertise. By following these steps, you'll effectively update your LinkedIn profile for marketing roles using HubSpot Academy badges. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.